Do you want to learn how to use Deepthink R1 on Deepseek AI? In this video, I'm going to help solve your problem. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get to it. So first, open up deepseek.com on your browser and then click on Start Now. Now you'll be taken over to the dashboard. Click on this Deepthink R1, which is used to solve reasoning problems. This feature is also integrated inside ChatGPT recently. Now click on this, and in the message tab, we're going to type in something. For example, if I say like this and I press enter here, it's going to start thinking what to say. It's just like human brain. It's like the AI has a brain now, and it's going to think first before answering. So just like you see here, it has thought for 13 seconds, and you can read all this. After the AI has done the thinking, it's going to give you the answer. Now you can ask more questions to it. For example, I can say, what is better, green tea or black coffee? And if I press on enter, it's going to start thinking about it. And many times you're going to find that the server is busy and it says to please try again later. DeepSeek is a Chinese app. ChatGPT also got the reason feature, so you can use it inside the ChatGPT. But if you do want to use in DeepThink, you will have to wait a few times because sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. Like here, I've tried it a few times, it's not working. So I'm going to try again with the new chat. I just want to give you this example, like what is better, green tea or black coffee? And it's going to start thinking about it. If I open up ChatGPT, I have this reason feature here, and I can do the same thing inside here as well. It has given us this answer. And if I click on this on the top, it's going to give us the same thing that we see inside DeepSeek. This whole section is here as well. And then you're going to get the answer below it. Now here in DeepSeek, I'm going to try it again. Maybe this time it works, but I don't think it's going to work. So yeah, this is how it is. And this is how to use the Deepthink R1. And if you want to use this, I would highly suggest you to not go to DeepSeek for this, as most of the times you're going to find that the server is busy. Just use the same thing on ChatGPT, the reason feature, and use this. Even now, the server is busy. So yeah, that's it. This is how to use the Deepthink R1 feature on Deepseek AI. Did you find this video helpful? If you did, let me know with a like and comment.